Mueller Hut, Sefton Bivvy. These are the famous overnight stays Mount Cook is well known for. But hidden in plain sight is the oldest hut in Mount Cook National Park. Originally built in 1910, Hooker Hut was built as a base for mountaineers crossing the pass from east to west or scaling the peaks in the surrounding area. Over the last century, Hooker Hut has gone through several renovations and upgrades, the last being in 2020 when the historic hut was flown to its new location. The hut is now hidden just off the extremely popular Hooker Valley track. Equipped with 8 bunks, a gas cooker, and one of the cutest log burners you've ever seen, it is the perfect overnight stay for families, beginner trampers, or outdoor enthusiasts who want to spend a dreamy night so close to New Zealand's highest peak. This is our perfect night at Hooker Hut, possibly the best hut in New Zealand.
So cute!
Yeah, the little hobbit doors.
If you're 6 foot. Welcome to NZ Backcountry Cribs.
Oh, claimed. Best beds in the hut. Only bring the essentials. So stoked. Whoa. What are your intentions?
What are my intentions? Chill. How's the serenity? Fully stoked. Cutest little hut. It's so peaceful. Sun's out.
Guns out.
No guns. It's all peaceful here.
What kind of hiking do you call this?
Call this pleasure hiking.
Pleasure.
Log burner for tonight. Got some mulled wine too. We went all out with the pleasure hiking. See, hiking doesn't have to be like sweating up a 1,000-meter mountain. It can be walking an hour, carrying whatever you pleasure, and just having a beautiful night, simple living in a hut, surrounded by just nature, doing its thing, cracking off some avalanches. Or it could be sweating up a 1,000-meter mountain.
You do you. While it would be easy to relax and hang out at the hut all day, it would be criminal not to at least walk down to Hooker Lake. Oh yeah, looks so much better. I miss the hut.
Because it was peaceful and sunny and...
You want to go back?
Yeah, because the sun's about to go down.
You want to teleport?
If it's an option.
It's always an option. Okay, ready? Overhand. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, so efficient. Let's go. Let's make a fire.
This is nice. That cook's still shining, so.
Shining away.
Thanks.
Goodbye, Sanctuary. You were the best. I'll never forget you. While you're in the national park, it's worth checking out some of the other trails in the area. The Red Tarns track is definitely more challenging, but less trodden than the popular Sealy Tarns track, but also offers stunning views of the valley below. And on your way out of the park, it's definitely worth checking out the Blue Lakes and the Tasman Glacier. We hope you enjoyed the video highlighting Hooker Hut and the beautiful Mount Cook National Park. We're going to relax in the Omarama hot pools, and we'll catch you in the next one.